Hello boys and girls, how would you guys like to try and build a bird nest with me? This is going to be a learning experience for all of us, as I've never done this either. The materials I'm going to use to try and make my bird nest is some water, a shovel full of dirt, and some grass that I've picked. So I've already begun to mix my grass and my mud, my water. I've drained some of my water because I've had too much water, and I still have too much water. But what you want to do is you just want to keep mixing your mud and your grass together. And eventually, you're going to start to shape it. And you can twist it together. Get some mud on there. And it will start to take form. Now, as you can see, this is going to get really messy, so I would suggest doing this outside. I mean, I had a lot of fun doing it, playing with the mud, the grass, the water, and then I came up with this guy. I don't know what kind of designs you guys can create with your nests, but after you get all your mud and your grass and your water mixed together, suggest putting it aside and letting it dry and see how strong it actually is. You might have to add a little bit more mud to strengthen it, but yeah, should be lots of fun. Let's see what you guys can do.